is a rare gem, and only a few shine as brightly as Miss Connie Reyes. 1975 nang maging host siya sa noontime show na Student Canteen dito sa GMA. Sinundan ito ng weekly anthology na Connie Reyes Drama Studio at ito na ang naging simula ng hindi mabilang na TV series na kanyang pinagbidahan at kinatampukan. Kinilala at binigyang parangal ang kanyang pagganap sa telebisyon at maging sa pelikula. At sa loob ng 50 taon, naging inspirasyon siya sa mga artistang kanyang nakatrabaho at nakasama. Higit sa pagiging artista, ang karera bilang isang ina ang pinakamahalaga sa kanya.
Hello Mama, congratulations on your 50th year in show business. Naalala ko lang kahit na puyat ka, may work ka, hindi mo nakakalimutan pumunta sa mga basketball games ko or sa mga school activities ko. You were always there. So thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy 50th anniversary, Mama, and happy Mother's Day. You are such a wonderful example to so many people of faith and excellence.
Congrats, Lola. We really admire your dedication to your craft, and we're really proud of you, all three of us, and we look up to you always.
Good job, Lala.
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day, advance happy birthday na rin. And of course, congratulations on your golden anniversary in showbiz. For me, the biggest part of your legacy aren't these awards and other accomplishments, but it's really the number of lives you've touched. Through the years, in the last 5 decades, you've touched so many lives, you've brought people closer to God, you've been such a good example to everyone, and you've been a shining light in the industry.
Kalahating siglo ng pamamayagpag sa industriya, 5 dekada na pagpapakita ng hindi matatawarang talento at dedikasyon sa sining ng pagganap na muli nating matutunghayan sa inaabangang Philippine adaptation ng Korean drama series na Shining Inheritance. Ngayong espesyal na araw ng mga nanay, isang pagbibigay-pugay ang inihahandog ng All Out Sunday sa nag-iisang Miss Connie Reyes.
Napaka-special lang araw na to dahil
pinagdiriwang natin ang kaarawan ng mahal nating kaibigan.
Hello, Julie! Sana naalala mo kami kasi lagi yan namin naaalala as our Nikki. Yeah! At kahit saan ka makapunta, alam namin yung Pancho Iba mo dito sa pamamahay ni Pepito Manaloto. You're always welcome here. Kaya mula sa cast and crew ng Pepito Manaloto, Happy Birthday, Julie! May nakakami sa'yo!
Siya ang laging top answer pagdating sa all-around performer, singer, dancer, composer, multi-instrumentalist, actress, host pa. Kaya happy birthday sa ating kapuso, Julian San Jose. I wish you all the best in your career and personal life. May you make many more of your fans very, very happy with your music and your voice. Muli, happy birthday.
Hi Julie! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, nung nakakasama kita kapag may mga tour tayo, isa lang palagi ko napapansin sa'yo, napakamusilak ng puso mo. Kaya sana huwag kang magbago at maging blessing ka para sa maraming tao dahil napakahusay mo. Ikaw yata isa sa pinakamahusay na artistang nakilala ko. Magaling sumayaw, magaling kumanta, magaling umarte, at higit sa lahat, magaling makitungo sa mga tao. Kaya sana huwag kang magbabago. At palagi mo tatandaan, nandito lagi si Ate Yan para sa'yo. Love you!
Julian, happy birthday. Ang aking dasal ay sana'y lahat ng hiling ng iyong mabuting puso ay ipagkaloob sa iyo ng Panginoong Diyos. You're one of the best. Julian, thank you for all that you are and thank you for all the things that you do for others. Continue to be your best. Continue to sing, continue to act, continue to do that makes you happy. And continue to do the things that make other people happy. And may God shower you with blessings of, number 1, excellent health, prosperity, joy, laughter, love, lahat ng magaganda dapat ay mapunta sa iyo because you're such a beautiful young lady. Happy birthday, Julian.
Hello sa aming limitless star, Julian San Jose.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Marami ka pang kaarawan na darating.
Deserve na talaga lahat ng blessings in
Julian, limitless ka ni.
Happy birthday to the limitless star. Hi, Julie. Happy birthday. Ayan, stay in love. Stay blessed. Ayan, happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Julian, happy birthday. It's such an honor and a pleasure na makilala kita at alam ko na lalayo pa ang career mo because you're a good person and you shall continually be blessed. So, God bless, happy birthday, enjoy the day, and a tight hug from all of us.
Dahil sa talento, sipag at dedikasyon, isa siyang inspirasyon para sa sino mang may pangarap na magtagumpay.
Isang malaking karangalan ang ipakilala ang nag-iisang Asia's Limitless Star at limitless ko rin pinagmamalaki at minamahal. Julian San Jose.
Ano yung pinakikinggan mo?
Ito yung playlist ng mama ko. Gusto niya kasi tong Pasilyo by Sunkissed Lole. Ang cool ng nanay ko, di ba?
Yung mom ko naman, favorite niya yung mga kanta ni Arthur Miguel, especially yung Lihim. Oh, ay naku! Alam mo, updated din yung mama ko sa mga OPM hits. Grabe, alam mo, nagulat nga ako eh. Naririnig ko kinakanta niya yung Ere by J.K. Labang.
Wala kayo sa nanay ko. Hindi, joke lang. Yung mami ko, ang lagi niyang pinakikinggan yung Uhaw Sang by Dilang. Astig, di ba?
Kaya naman, ang mga bagong OPM hits na yan,
Kakantahin ng AOS Divas para sa ating mga cool na nanay. Here are Julian, Jessica, Marian,
Thea, Hannah, and Mommy Rita, the divas of the Queendom.